All right, this is going to be a short, inclusive chair yoga slash stretching routine. You can do this at the office if you're at work and you're feeling stiff, or if you're at home, you can do all of this, or even just take a few of these exercises and do them to your own comfort level. So, we're going to start by just doing a few deep breaths to help get us calm and centered. Take a big deep breath in. Feel your belly expand and exhale. Two more. Big breath in. Exhale. Last one. Big deep breath in and exhale. We're going to start by doing some gentle neck rolls. Pick either side or direction and go nice, slow, and controlled, letting that neck go all the way around. After you finish that repetition, go ahead and repeat on the other side and other direction, working that neck nice and controlled, making as big of circles as possible without pain. Next, we're going to do some shoulder rolls with our hands on our shoulders, bringing those shoulders up as far as we can with a nice shrug, bringing them down, back around, trying to pinch our shoulder blades at the back. When we go back with our shoulders, just doing a full range of motion exercise with those shoulders all the way around, keeping those hands nice and intact the entire time. Good. Now we can move on to some reaches where we are going to extend and open up our hands to the side and then come back in, touch our shoulders and do another shoulder roll into two more times through this progression. Big reach all the way back in. Very nice. One more. Big reach all the way around, all the way back, all the way in. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and take one of our legs, place them up onto our knees. If you can't get your foot up onto your knee like this, just go ahead and cross your legs like this. That's totally okay, but really try to get that foot up onto your knee. We're going to bring our chest down to our knee and leg, getting a nice stretch through our hips and our glutes, going down as far as we comfortably can. When you reach that furthest position, you can go. Take a big breath in, big breath out through that exhale. Very nice. Let's go ahead and rinse and repeat on the other side. Once again, bringing that foot up onto your knee or just crossing your legs, going down as far as you can. If you want to make this stretch a little more intense too, you can press down on that knee with your hand while reaching forward with your chest. Come back all the way up. We are going ahead and scoot to the front of our chair. What we are going to do is place our hands behind our lower back, and we are going to press with our hands into our lower back just gently and open up our chest, push that chest forward, reach that neck back. Try to get a gentle stretch through your lower back and also reaching back with your shoulders as well, pinching those shoulder blades. And then come all the way back down, bring those hands in front of you, reach them all the way down to the ground as far as you can, getting a nice stretch through the back on the opposite direction. We're going to do this motion two more times, reaching both ends of the spectrum for this, taking it nice and controlled on both ranges of motion, nice and easy for yourself. Last one here. Big reach, push, open up that chest. Go ahead and reach all the way down. Back to the shoulders and our triceps. We are going to take one hand, bring it across our body, take that other hand and gently push it into your body. Just get a nice gentle stretch through that tricep and that shoulder, back of the shoulder, I should say. Go ahead, bring it down, go across, nice and easy, same thing. Big reach all the way across that body. And very nice job. Go ahead and readjust your body and make sure you're still at the front of that chair. We are going to grab either the side of our leg or the side of the chair, whatever's more comfortable. And we are going to do a nice, gentle stretch through the side of our body, twisting as much as we can. You can add a gentle neck stretch into this too by reaching one neck, kind of tilting your head towards your shoulder or bringing one ear towards the shoulder, I should say. Coming back up, go ahead, grab the other side of your leg, gently pull yourself deep into that position as far as you comfortably can go, and reach that ear down to the shoulder if you'd like. Very nice. Good job, everyone. All right, so what we're going to do next is a knee to chest stretch. So go ahead and grab the front of your leg or below your leg, whatever's more comfortable, and try to pull that knee up to your chest as far as you can. We're going to add a gentle ankle rotation into this, picking one direction to start and repeating on the other direction with that ankle twist. Gently bring that foot down. We will repeat on the other side. You might notice too that one of the sides of your body is a little more tight and restricted than the other. My left side is a little more tight and restricted than my right side. So just something to consider. You don't necessarily need to push super far into it, but try to get as much balance in your stretch and mobility movements as possible. Repeat on that other side for the ankle twist and relax. Good. Next, what we're going to do is take our hands, interlace those fingers together, gently reach down to the ground as far as you can for a nice forward fold. We're going to gently lean towards one direction. Very nice. Leaning towards the other direction. Very nice. We'll go back and forth one more time. Left, right. Then come all the way back up. We're going to take a big reach to the sky, all the way up with those hands. Take a big breath in through this position. Big breath out. Come down. Now what we're going to work on is our wrists and our fingers. Go ahead and do a nice figure 8 rotation with your wrists, opening and closing your fingers at the same time just to get some gentle wrist mobility through that area. Very good. Go ahead and now place one hand forward. Go ahead and grab the top of your fingers and gently pull back on those fingers, getting a good deep stretch through those wrist muscles that are often so tight through the day from all of our typing on our computers, typing on our phones, all those little things we do. Repeat on the other side. Hand forward, grab those fingers, gently pull them back. And we're shooting for as much range of motion without pain on this, so go as far as you can without pain into this movement. Go back, you can kind of shake those hands out. We're good for that movement. Let's go ahead and cross our legs here. We're going to do another forward fold here, but with our legs crossed. So to work your hips in a slightly different area, we're just going to do 3 quick repetitions. This time, have your hands on your shoulders, crossed like so. Go ahead and reach down as far as you can. Good. Come up. All the way down and up. We're going to cross our legs on the other direction. And we're actually going to do 2 more repetitions. I lied to you just to keep it balanced here. 1 and 2. Very nice. Okay. What we're going to move into next is a nice pose that I like to call the open book. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take one hand, try our best to touch it on the ground. If you can't get all the way to the ground with this, you're going to bring that hand up to your knee or touch the side of your calf. But I'm going to go to the ground, and then I'm going to try to bring that opposite hand all the way up to the sky. Again, remember, you can take that hand that's on the ground and move it a little bit higher. And we're just going to open ourselves up like a book. Take a big breath in through this motion. Big breath out. Reach that hand down. Repeat on the other side. Try to bring that opposite hand up as far as you comfortably can. This is a pretty demanding stretch, so do your best here. And again, remember, you can regress this and make it a little easier by bringing that hand up to your knee. And I'll actually just show that really quick here. So I'm going to do this finish with that knee, bringing it up. As you can see, it's a lot less demanding on that lower back to get in that position, but still, nonetheless, a pretty good overall stretch. Very nice. All right, so we're going to do some knee work next. So we're going to grab that knee like we did earlier, bring it into our chest, but this time we're not going to hold it. We're going to extend that knee and then reach all the way down, try to touch that toe. We're going to do this 2 more times, bringing that knee in, trying to get that nice flex position through that knee, and then move it into extension. So we're getting some good mobility back and forth. Nice. Repeat on the other side. We're starting with my leg extended this time, I guess, just because I can't make up my mind. So reach down, touch, good. Come up and flex. 2 more. All the way down and touch, up and flex, good. Down, touch, last one, and good. Very nice. Great work, everyone. We are all finished for the day. Feel free to do any of these exercises that you really liked a few more times. Have an awesome rest of your day as you take it on with a nice, new, refreshed, mobilized body.